Hi everyone, this is Victoria with the Well Alternative Health. Today I just want to share this yummy, delicious vegan barbecue sauce with you guys. It's really a good barbecue sauce that I recently did and I really liked it and I want to share the recipe with you guys. So what you need is 3 cups of tomato sauce. 5 tablespoons of molasses. You guys know the health benefits of molasses. It's a natural sweetener. It is, and it has really, really good health benefits. You will also need 3/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's that simple. So what you're gonna do with all that is you're gonna put it all in a bowl, like in a pan, and put it on the fire. Let it come to boil. Then reduce the heat for a while. Then you can turn it off. Then you simmer it for about 10 minutes and you are ready to enjoy this yummy, delicious vegan barbecue sauce. So I want you guys to try it and let me know at the comment section below whether you liked it or not. I really, really enjoyed it when I did it. But anyway, remember sickness, diseases, and suffering are the works of the destroyer, the devil, who comes to kill, to steal, and to destroy. But God, the restorer, will restore your health if you're obedient and follow the laws of health. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.